Everyone on the planet needs to know what role they have to play and to be informed about what this virus is, where this virus is circulating, especially in the areas where you live, the areas where you work, the areas that you want to travel in. All of this is important. There's so much that you can do yourself to protect yourself from getting infected and to prevent yourself from passing the virus on to others. And please make good choices.
Our new NA series speakerphone launches with a 360-degree pickup and a USB interface. It integrates the speaker and a microphone together. The crystal clear sound makes this speakerphone the best choice for small to medium audio and video conferences. Our AV products are widely used in video conference system, tele-education system, telemedicine system, live streaming, broadcasting and recording, financial facility, courtrooms, church and schools. We have established a sound sales and service network with our high quality and affordable price. Our vision is to make any audio and video conference meeting better and easier.